This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 16, 1 or later, and messages in iCloud enabled. Once confirmed, open the conversation that contains the message you want removed. Press and hold that message until the contextual menu appears, then tap Undo Send. Do this promptly. Apple only allows up to 2 minutes from when you tap Send. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure you're holding directly on the message bubble and not tapping another area. Once you see Undo Send, select it to remove the message for everyone. After tapping Undo Send, watch the message vanish. You'll see a small system note confirming the message was unsent. Make sure to check the chat immediately to verify removal. If the recipient runs an older iOS or a non-Apple client, their copy might remain. If the unsend succeeds, the message bubble and any attachments disappear for all compatible devices. Once done, you can resend a corrected message or follow up to explain. Keep expectations realistic. Unsend isn't guaranteed across every client. If the message still appears after undo send, force close messages and reopen to refresh the thread. Sometimes the UI lags. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest iOS and that messages in iCloud is enabled. This improves sync and increases the chance of successful removal. If unsend fails because the recipient's device is incompatible, tell them and delete your local copy as a fallback. Finally, test the feature with a harmless message so you know the behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.